Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this wave text effect on CapCut PC. First, go to text and add in your text effect. Well, just add in your text I meant, and type in waves or whatever you want to type. Select a font. I'll just select this one and I'm going to do that. Select this one, scroll down to stroke and adjust it a little bit. And make the inside green. I'm going to select this and I'm going to select export still frame and I'm going to select export. Make sure you select import to project or else it won't be there. Select it and add it on top of your video. Go to the video and adjust it a little bit. I'm going to adjust the saturation and the exposure here. Like that. I'll just adjust the contrast as well. Adjust the video to the waves and make sure you have rotated this. So I'm going to rotate it 3 times and I'm just going to place it down here. I'll edit that later. Select the text and go to video, go to mask. Oh, actually go to remove background, select chroma key and select the green area of your text. You can also adjust the intensity here. You can also feather the edges and clean up edge, but this is a pro feature. You don't need it though. And here you can adjust the waves a little bit more if you'd like to. Maybe like place it down here. I don't like how the E is very thick like that, but yeah, that is it. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.